So what exactly is Zend? Zend is a web application framework built with PHP 5. PHP 5 became fully object-oriented compatible, and indeed, Zend is very OO in nature. Every web framework these days needs to have MVC, or Model View Controlling, functionality, and Zend has that. Web frameworks should also have a separation of tiers and are loosely coupled with the ability to plug and play components. Zend is good here too. And of course, we all want enterprise features like the ability to utilize relational databases, send emails and notifications, be performant, be testable, and so on. Check, check, and check for Zend. Of course, no framework does everything for everyone, so let's talk about some of Zend's dirty laundry. Because Zend is a full MVC framework stack, it can be a little on the bulky and heavy side. If you're building a one-page application, Zend might be a little bit of an overkill. I kind of feel like I should include check marks here to stay consistent with what we did above, so here's a check mark. Because Zend is wanting code developed cleanly and consistently, this requires some buy-in on developers to comply and learn the Zend way to build applications. This is a huge departure for many PHP developers who have been notorious for just throwing stuff together and frankly creating some awful code. So this may be a good thing in some ways, so I'm giving this a green check mark. If you're expecting Zend to be PHP's version of Rails or Django, you're going to be a little disappointed here. Zend requires building out more of the nuts and bolts rather than the convention over configuration mentality. This in itself has its pros and cons, but this does cut back on rapid application development just a little bit.